In this video, we'll show you how to remove the red notification dot on your iPhone's phone app. If you see something like this on the phone app with a red dot in the top right corner, it usually means there's something that needs attention, like an unread voicemail. To get rid of the dot, open the phone app and tap on voicemail in the bottom right corner. Often, the red dot appears because there's an unread voicemail that hasn't been listened to or deleted. So go ahead and listen to any voicemails and delete them if needed. If the dot doesn't go away after that, the next thing to try is going into your settings. Tap on cellular and then toggle off the cellular line. This will disconnect your phone from the network. After a few moments, toggle it back on to reconnect. This action will reinitialize your phone line, and it should help your iPhone properly search for voicemails and clear that pesky red dot. After doing this, the red dot should be gone. If it's still there, you may want to double check that you don't have any missed voicemails or try restarting your phone.